So guys, we are currently chilling in front of the Henan Prime beach resort with the baby girl right here. We just did some little cinematic action, some photo shoots, and got the mango shake and buko, and we're just like honestly just chilling, like living our best lives out here in Boracay. Even though madaming tao, but it's like you can't complain about swimming near the beach, like in Boracay especially, because look at this shit. Look at that. Oh wait, I think it's overexposed. Ah, there you go, right there. My bad. So yeah, look at that shit. Oh, look at her. Oh my goodness gracious.
Stop it.
And so that's what we're working is right now. So yeah, on to some next clips right now. Swimming on our day 2 here in front of Henan Prime Time. That's the only we remember Henan.
It's really nice
same prime time.
It's not crowded.
Yeah, it's not crowded. The other one called Crystal Sands of the Henan franchise is still crowded. A lot of people. Apparently, what Kiyu said was the reason why that side, which over there is a bit.
It was the one in
Blue Mall.
I was talking about
but that's where they have Henan Crystal Sands.
Oh,
so
okay.
That's what I'm saying. But that one, the reason why that place is crowded is because a lot of the low budget hotels and the cheaper prices of hotels are located over there, which is why the population over there when people are swimming is a lot. So what I like about here is not too crowded. And then on this side we have, I believe, the Lynn and Discovery Shores, which is a bit higher pricey hotels, which are 5 stars. And then right here to my right, that's 2 Seasons, where we ate the 4 cheese pizza and the oyster seafood. And yeah, we're just chilling and swimming. And she's really going away from me.
Come on!
But yeah, man.
Really nice.
Baby, where are you gonna cut those for? Huh?
Someone's mean.
Someone's mean? Damn.
I'm gonna cut your clothes.
My what?
Clothes.
My clothes? Oh, okay.
That's some